This demonstration will show you how to use the new online request for transfer credit reevaluation form. Step 1 is to meet with your academic advisor. You must have an advisor release to access this system. Step 2 is to log into your My Missouri State account. You will then select your Academics tab, and Step 3 is to select the Request Transfer Coursework Reevaluation link. This will generate your information that is already in the banner system that you have submitted through transcripts. You will then want to make sure that you have discussed this request with an advisor, or that you have consulted the Missouri State University catalog or reviewed the guidelines for courses that may be applicable for general education requirements but not a specific MSU course. Then carefully complete the following. If you have more than one institution, you will select the institution of the course you would like to have reevaluated. Then you will select the course you would like to reevaluate. It will then generate the course title from the institution, and you will enter the course description. You may copy and paste this from online or another source. You will also enter the syllabus. You may either provide a URL or you may copy and paste your syllabus. If you can do neither, you will want to follow the instructions to provide information to the department so that they can make the best decision. You may also provide information or other notes that may be applicable in this decision for the department. You can also view how the credit has been evaluated by the university. Then you will want to make your request. You will either request that it be changed to a different course by selecting the course subject from the drop-down menu and the course number. Or you may select that it be a general education and meets the guidelines and request the course be considered applicable in the following general education requirement areas. Once you have decided between the two options, you will select and then you will submit. You will then receive this page on the reevaluation request form. It states your name, your Bear Pass number, your student major, and that you have requested to have the transfer course COM 100 having 3 hours and a grade of A be reevaluated for COM 115 Fundamentals of Public Speaking. You are only allowed to do one course reevaluation per form. If you would like to do a second course, you will press Start a New Request. This will take you back to the generated information, and you can select a second course in order to submit another reevaluation. Once you have submitted your request will be routed to the appropriate department for consideration. When a decision is made, or if the department needs additional information, you will be sent an email to your MSU email address. Be sure to check your email regularly. When a decision is made, an entry will be placed in your advising notes in mymissouristate.edu, or at the same time the email is sent. Please allow 2 weeks for a decision. If a change to your evaluation is approved, the change will be made by the Office of Admissions within 2 business days of the decision, and if the decision was to issue a substitution or waiver, the department will send a separate form to the Office of the Registrar. For further assistance with this transfer request reevaluation online form, please contact the Office of Admissions at 417-836-5517. If you have questions regarding the decision on your request, please contact the department that received your request. Thank you.